How to start an LLC in Georgia in 2024. How to start an LLC in Georgia? I'll be clarifying about legally. Number 1. Picking the correct name. Number 2. Appointing a registered agent. Number 3. Filling essential articles of organization. Number 4. Creating an operating agreement. And number 5. Getting your EIN as the final step. And some important tasks to be done after you establish your LLC. Simple, right? But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more business wisdom. Now, let's get started. Ways to form an LLC in Georgia. When forming an LLC in Georgia, you got a couple of routes to choose from. First up, the hands-on DIY approach. Do it yourself. Roll up your sleeves, follow the steps, and be in the business. For those who prefer a smooth ride, consider bringing in a registered agent for your super convenience, offering a stress-free process and top-notch service to make your Georgia LLC journey simple. So, whether you are a DIY enthusiast or looking for a trustworthy partner, these options have you covered. Let's get into it. How to start an LLC in Georgia step by step. Number 1. Choose a name. So, first thing first, let's make sure your name is available. You would not want to have the same name as another business, right? That could lead to some confusion. We are here to avoid that. Step 1. Open your computer and head to the Georgia Corporation Division website. There, you will find a tool called the Business Search, where you can check if someone else has already taken your name. Step 2. Type in your desired LLC name in the search bar. Hit enter and there it is. The results will show you if a business with that name exists in Georgia. If you get a match, then it's time to brainstorm a unique name that screams you. Now, let's talk about the rules of the naming game. Georgia has a few guidelines to ensure your LLC name gets the green light. Make sure your name complies with the state's naming requirements. Georgia has some do's and don'ts regarding the structure of your LLC name. For example, it should end with LLC or a limited liability company, and the name should not exceed 80 characters, including spaces and punctuations. But wait, there is more. Avoid using prohibited words. Georgia has a list of words you can't use in your business name, which can mislead people. That can suggest a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any other business requires a specific license. To learn more about naming guidelines, check out the link in the description below. Here is a pro tip. Even if you are not planning to create a website, secure your domain before someone buys it. Check out the link in the description below soon to buy a domain for a cost-effective deal. Number 2. Appoint a registered agent. Now, what's a registered agent? It's like hiring an expert in your business paperwork and someone who handles all the legal mail and notices on behalf of your Georgia LLC. So, let's get an overview of choosing one. Option 1. You can be your registered agent. If you have a physical address in Georgia, here are factors you must consider. Your name and address can be accessed by the public. Being the go-to person for official documents. Being available during regular business hours. Option 2. Bring a friend or family member. Just ensure they are cool with the responsibility and have a Georgia address. Option 3. The registered agent service. This is like having a professional handle things. My pick is Northwest registered agent. Why? They let you use their office address, keeping your personal one of public records. Plus, they can scan and upload any mail to your online account. Talk about convenience. Here is a sweet deal. If you hire Northwest registered agent to form your LLC, they throw in a year of registered agent service for a cost-effective price. Check out the link in the description below for further details from Northwest. Number 3. Prepare and file articles of organization. Now, what are these articles of organization? Think of them as the birth certificate for your LLC. They officially bring your business into the world, and you will file them with the Georgia Secretary of State. Alright, now let me show you the basic details that you should include in this article. The LLC's name and address. Name and address of the registered agent. Your LLC's principal office mailing address. Effective date of the agent. Information about members and managers. Specific provisions and restrictions related to management or operation. Go to the Georgia Secretary of State's office in person or mail it there, which takes 15 business days to get approved. You can also file it online to get approved in 7 to 10 business days. Here is what you need to do. You will need to fill out the Articles of Organization form CD030. For online applications, go to the Georgia Corporation Division website, then sign up for an account. Check out the link in the description below to get directly into the login page. Thinking about the cost? It's $100 if you file online and $110 if you file in person or by mail. A one-time fee to kickstart your LLC dreams. Number 4. Create an operating agreement. So, what's this operating agreement? Think of it as the backstage pass to your LLC show. While the articles of organization brought your LLC into existence, the operating agreement tells the world how things run. Here is why it's a big deal. Ownership deeds. It lays out who owns what in your LLC. Clear as day, no confusion. Banking. Some banks may ask for your operating agreement when you are setting up an LLC account. It's like an LLC's ID card for financial transactions. If by any chance you end up in court, having an operating agreement is your power and weapon. It shows that you are running your LLC like a pro. It's an internal document outlining ownership structure, profit, rights and responsibilities, other procedures, etc. And here is the cool part. There is no need to send it to the government. Keep it in your business record. Grab a free Northwest operating agreement template from the link in the description below for your convenience. I got your back. Number 5. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. So, the final step to forming an LLC in Georgia is obtaining an employer identification number from the IRS. What's this EIN all about? It's like your LLC's social security number, but for taxes and business matters. Getting one is essential for a bunch of reasons. Tax identification. Your EIN identifies your LLC for tax purposes. On the other hand, it's like your business's fingerprint for the IRS. You will need EIN to open a business bank account, to manage federal and state taxes, to hire employees. So, what about the cost of obtaining an EIN? It's free of charge. If you are a US citizen or resident with an SSN or ITIN, you can apply online and it's effortless. For non-US resident friends, no worries. You can still get an EIN by fax or mail. Post-establishment tasks. It's crucial to keep your business and personal world separate. This means having a business bank account for managing assets separately and maintaining clear financial distinctions. Additionally, consider securing business insurance to protect against unexpected challenges. Hiring an accountant is a smart move for keeping your financial records in top shape. Remember to complete the annual registration requirements for your LLC in Georgia. This typically involves filing necessary paperwork and paying any associated fees to maintain your business's legal status. To simplify the entire process, I recommend partnering with Northwest to ensure a seamless experience in managing your LLC affairs. Their expertise can guide you through these post-formation essentials, making your business journey smoother and more secure. I know, starting an LLC in Georgia might seem like a stressful start, but with this proper guidance, it's totally achievable. Remember, whether you choose the DIY route or go for a registered agent like Northwest, the key is to take one step at a time. From selecting a proper name to filing your paperwork and getting your EIN, each step brings you closer to your dream of owning your business. So, stay focused, stay positive, and remember, we are here to help you every step of the way. If you found the video really informative, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Cheers to your future success as a Georgia LLC owner.